Assalamualaikum everyone and welcome to today's JASMY video update for Monday 29th of August, and we're looking at JASMY right now. JASMY is pretty much in a particular sideways movement right now. Previously we did have these three black rows, a little bit of consolidation, made a pennant right there, broke to the downside, and we're looking to actually go down to 0.00681. Now if you do come down to 0.00681, I do think that could be a little bit of a nice good entry opportunity down here. It could actually move sideways, give a little bit of relief up there to 7,965, and then finally drop to the downside. Now be very careful because there are two things that I want to tell you in this update, right? So previously in the last videos I talked about the continuation pattern, and number one continuation pattern was this one being the bearish rectangle. So that was a bearish rectangle right there, and you've already broken out of the bearish rectangle, and we're looking for JASMY to basically maybe go a little bit back up on the weekly time frame, all the way back up to 8,912, which is at 8,600 right now, just to make a retest and go up like this, make the retest, get rejected, and then go back down to 6,000, which is the main price technical target. And when you do that, let me tell you one thing, the main technical target is going to be 0.02. We're still looking for that 70% drop to the downside. So from there to there, we're talking about JASMY to fall all the way down to nearly 0.002. That's what I'm going to round off, right? So that's hint number one. You're going to go to 0.002. Hint number two is actually on a monthly. So if I do dive into the monthly, just look how nasty of a bear flag you do have. So that's like the bear flag out there, and you do have another bear flag right over there. And if I do take the technical target, we're looking for JASMY to go from there to there, and this is going to actually drop all the way down to this price level. So you can see it pretty much actually takes you to 0.00103 actually, if you talk about the monthly bear flag, and the weekly takes you to 0.002. Nonetheless, 0.002 is something that is really there. It's outside there. It's something that you must be careful about. And that's pretty much it for this update on JASMY. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.